टाइम विद शिखा। आज हम हैं पद्मा रामाचंद्रन के साथ, जो कि बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप चेन्नई में है, एंड शी इज द सीईओ ऑफ स्ट्राइकर्स डांस एंटरटेनमेंट एंड सर्विसेज एंड खूबसूरत बुटीक। So welcome Padma Ramachandran.
Thank you so much, Shikha, for having me on the show. It's a
Pleasure
great
is all
pleasure
mine.
to be here.
Thank you. So tell us something about yourself, Padma. How this journey of Strikers Dance Entertainment Services has been begin, and Khoobsurat Boutique. So from where did you get this mixture of dance and boutique fashion designer? एक साथ कहाँ से आप ये लेकर
I know it's a wonderful question because कोई भी सोचेगा कि ये दोनों क्या है, एक और पे डांस है, एक और पे बुटीक है, कहाँ से ये दोनों कॉम्बिनेशन आ गया. But yes, let me tell you, I also came to Dubai as a normal housewife. शादी करके इधर आई with the hopes कि husband कमाएगा, बैठ के ऐश करूँगी, दुबई है a place of fashion, इतना पैसा का I'll spend on myself, ये करूँगी वो करूँगी. But God has been very good to me. I landed up on March 15th and March 30th I got a government job in Dubai at the Emirates Towers, one of the most coveted towers उस time पे and now also. And from then on I've been working and working and working. But before my marriage I used to run a lot of businesses back home. तो वो कीड़ा रहता था कि इधर कुछ करना है. I need to do a business of my own. तो 15 years काम करने के बाद I was sitting and talking to my husband one day and I said, यार मुझे तो अभी business करना है. I cannot go work under somebody. And then my husband was like, what is your passion? I said, fashion is my passion. So that was how Khoobsurat Boutique came into picture. Then passion बोलेंगे तो I have another very sweet member of the family, my daughter, and dance is her passion. तो वेंकट ने क्या बोला, अगर बीवी के लिए passion का एक खोल सकता हूँ तो बेटी के पैशन के लिए भी एक खोल दूंगा. That was how Strikers Dance
came in. So you have a lovely and wonderful husband who takes care of yours and as well as your daughter. So he takes care of the whole family. आप मुझे बताइए, जो 15 साल रहे आपके, like while you were working, so what you were working as?
I was working for the government of Dubai. I was working in a very high position, and technically speaking, nobody will even think of resigning a job because hot package. Air ticket for the entire family, medical for the entire family. Exactly. So leaving the job and then coming back and running a business, जहाँ पे every day you need to move the business, अपने ओर से कुछ करना है. Either this is all yours, medical is yours, air ticket is yours, सब अपने pocket से जाता है. Nobody else is going to give. But that was a risk I decided to take because for me you have to live a life. एक ही जिंदगी है, अपना खुशी से जियो. And when you go to bed, go with a smile क्योंकि you have lived your life the way you wanted to live.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you are a risk taker basically.
I think everybody is a risk taker at one point of time. Only the leverage of risk varies. Like for you also.
Yeah.
Once you got married, that itself a risk. बच्चा हुआ, second risk. Then again, fashion की दुनिया में आई, that's a third risk. So हर जगह पे risk आता जाता है हमारे लिए.
So true. So true. So how helpful Mr. Venkat, your husband, has been to you, and there must be clashes or struggle. What you have gone through, please tell us about that.
See, fortunately for me, Venkat has been a person who's always been supportive. अगर मैं उसको बोलती हूँ कि वेंकट मुझे I need to buy stock of clothes, the next day he will order and 100 to 200 stock will land up here in Khoobsurat.
Okay.
So he is very proactive in that nature, and for me he is a backbone. In my personal life, in my business life, हर जगह पे वेंकट is like 70% of me. I will say it's only वेंकट.
Okay.
मैं जो हूँ, it's like 30% of me.
So
yeah.
So then हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि हर आदमी के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है, तो आपके पीछे like आपके हस्बैंड का हाथ है.
I mean ये
right?
I don't know who brought in that proverb. हर आदमी के पीछे औरत होता है. I will say from the beginning they should have said आदमी और औरत दोनों के पीछे एक दूसरे रहते हैं.
Correct.
Exactly.
So
yeah.
That is how it has to be. एक शादीशुदा जिंदगी में ऐसे ही होता है, and that's how you have to grow. एक बात और हमने आपके बारे में जानी है that you are Abdul Kalam Award winner.
Yes.
So please tell us about that.
That is something which I'll treasure for my entire life. It all happened suddenly. That couple of years back, we got a call from India, and they said like, ma'am, you have been shortlisted to be one of the candidates to win this award. तो मैं सोच के बैठी कि मैंने तो ये अवार्ड के लिए अप्लाई किया ही नहीं. Then I asked Venkat, did you apply? He's like, yes, I applied for you. And that shortlisting happened, and then we had to go to a place जहाँ पे दिल बी डिक्लेयरिंग द विनर्स।
Right.
तो जब मैं उधर पहुंची आई वॉज नॉट रेडी फॉर इट, मुझे लग रहा किया क्या है मैंने कि मुझे अवार्ड मिलने वाला है।
Correct.
But I think I have done substantial work as an entrepreneur, woman entrepreneur in the UAE, and yes, I was awarded that. So at that stage, actually, what happened? An extra responsibility starts coming on you,
Right.
because having Dr. Abdul Kalam ji's award in your hand means people have recognized you for something worth it,
Worth.
and you need to live the worth it आगे भी।
Of course, because you
Yeah.
need to carry that worth.
Yes.
तभी आपको लोग जानेंगे, पहचानेंगे, and like you know, खूबसूरत को आज दुबई में सभी लोग जानते हैं, and I guess you do online services as well.
Yes, we do online
How do
services.
you promote? Like I know that Venkat sir is there, but what about your team? Do you have a team back-end पे जो आपकी help करती है, and how do you cope up?
I have
with
a
the
very wonderful
businesses
team.
के साथ?
I have a very wonderful team, and I'm more into women empowerment. मेरा जो team है, it's like fully women out here. And yes, especially during these trying times, हमारा एक ही था, like all of us thought, अगर कस्टमर हमारे पास ना आए, हम लोग पहुंचे कस्टमर के साथ।
Exactly.
That was how when we started all our FB live shows, our Insta live shows, and हमारा online business started to grow because of that.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Good to hear that you know online भी आपको घर बैठे husband से लेके wife बच्चे सब लोग we can order online.
Exactly.
So that is really good. And how about your dance academy? Like बच्चे कौन सी एज तक enroll कर सकते हैं? Is it only for the kids or for their parents as
See,
well?
Dance Academy एक छोटा सा नया, that's a very beautiful twist onto the Dance Academy. We started it off as Strikers Dance, and then हमें लगा कि dance is just like one sector of the art form. तो ये art form को आगे हमें लेके जाना है, where I want to include all the other art forms. So I converted the Dance Academy to an entertainment services center. So it is Strikers Dance and Entertainment Services, which is an event management company.
Very good.
So under the umbrella of event management company, you get dance, you get music, you get fashion shows, you do ground events. Incidentally, Strikers Dance Challenge is the first UAE's dance reality show,
Yes.
which is getting aired on ZTV,
Yes,
and till today it is the only dance reality show, and I take great pride in saying that.
Of course, I was
Yeah.
just coming back to the reality show.
Yeah.
That once I have also watched your TV shows, and I have seen that the kids are coming for the audition.
Yeah.
Auditions are going into the malls and all. So how do you cope up with all these things? Like, because what I can see right now is under one roof you have many businesses. Not only two, like खूबसूरत boutique तो है ही और dance academy भी है. But as what you said, that it's an entertainment services
Yeah.
where you give event management services to everyone. So how do you cope up with all these things, and you know your daily life कैसे चलता है सब कुछ?
See, time management is something that you learn over a period of time.
Correct.
Right? So once you've reached a certain stage, 24 hours I still feel is a lot of time for you. मुझे आज भी I will say 4 to 5 hours I have ample time, थोड़ा और करना है, थोड़ा और ज़्यादा सोचना है.
Right.
Right? So because multitasking becomes your USP.
Yeah.
एक टाइम में आप 4-5 काम कर सकते हो.
Right.
So once you start doing multitasking, I think 12 hours is abundant time for you to manage all this stuff. और I will only tell people जो भी बोलते हैं ना मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है ये करने के लिए,
Exactly.
I'll say that is you can never say that because 24 hours is a huge amount of time, and अब कभी भी you can take out time for yourself.
So that's how today we have learned that how you have to time management, because Padma being a woman, वो एक वर्कर भी हैं, रह चुकी हैं, एक हाउसवाइफ भी रह चुकी हैं, प्लस उनके भी अपने पर्सनल जिंदगी से निकल कर वो कुछ करने के लिए जागरूक करती हैं, वुमेन्स एम्पावरमेंट के लिए काम करती हैं, उनके पास बुटीक है और डांस एकेडमी चला रही हैं. तो पद्मा, ये तो था आपका प्रोफेशनल लाइफ की तरफ. तो अब हमें लेके चलिए कुछ आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ की तरफ, कि पर्सनल लाइफ में आपके साथ क्या स्ट्रगल रहे, क्या आपके इन लॉज की तरफ से कभी आपको प्रॉब्लम आई, या आपके पेरेंट्स के कभी तरफ से प्रॉब्लम आई? बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स जब एक लड़की की शादी हो जाती है तो सब लोग यही सोचते हैं कि वो अपनी शादीशुदा ज़िंदगी में रहे, ना कि बिजनेस करे या फिर किसी और को प्रमोट करे या काम करे. तो हमारे थोड़े एशियन मेंटालिटी अगर ऐसी है तो आप कैसे वो मेंटालिटी बदल रही हैं, और क्या आपके इन लॉज के तरफ से आपको सपोर्ट मिल रहा था या नहीं?
See, ups and downs happen in everybody's life, and fortunately for me, I am the queen of my in-laws. मेरे in-laws में जो मैं बोलती हूँ वही चलता है आज तक. उधर छोटे छोटे डिसीजंस ऑल्सो इट्स टेकन ओनली इन कंसल्टेशन विथ मी. तो आई हैव गेन दियर ट्रस्ट, उतना तो मैं बोलूँगी, बिकॉज हर डॉटर इन लॉ को गेनिंग द ट्रस्ट टेक्स अ लॉन्गर टाइम. मुझे भी लगा, टाइम लगा, 5-6 years तो लगा, बट उसके बाद वंस द ट्रस्ट इज गेन, आई मीन लाइक आई एम द ओनली डॉटर इन लॉ. मेरे जो 6 सिस्टर इन लॉस है, आप सोचो कितना जिंदगी.
6 sister-in-laws?
6 sister-in-laws
Oh my
है
God.
मेरा.
So कभी
Yeah.
कुछ मतलब बंधन
नहीं शिका,
खड़कते and
नहीं
कोई
नहीं
लड़ाई नहीं, कोई झगड़ा नहीं.
नहीं, डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियंस आता रहता है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम अ साउथ इंडियन, लाइक आपने बोला था लाइक आई एम फ्रॉम चेन्नई.
Yeah.
हमारे में द मंगलसूत्र इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट,
Important.
बिंदी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ऑल दैट. तो इनिशियली व्हेन आई वाज नॉट डूइंग ऑल दैट स्टफ, देयर वाज लिटिल बिट ऑफ क्यों नहीं कर रही है ये, दिस इज आवर ट्रेडिशन, यू हैव टू फॉलो आवर ट्रेडिशन, वो सब चल रहा था. बट देन इवेंचुअली व्हेन दे अंडरस्टूड द फील्ड आई एम वर्किंग इन and there are certain requirements that I need to keep, they understood and they are like perfectly fine
I
with
think
that.
ये बात समझनी बहुत जरूरी है, because when you work in a certain firm you have to groom yourself
Exactly.
according to their standard, ना कि मतलब बिंदी चूड़ी श्रृंगार करके ऑफिस
Yeah.
जाया जाए, because of course that does not give you a good look.
But that doesn't stop me
you.
from
Yeah.
following all my traditions, क्योंकि आज भी मेरे घर में if there is a festival, I still wear the traditional 9 yard sari, not the 6 yard sari.
Oh,
I
9
still wear the
yards.
9 yard sari जहाँ हमारे tradition पे होता है. And I can bet कि आज के generation में nobody knows to wear the sari अपने आप. सब लोग ready-made लेके पहनते हैं, but I can wear it myself. And I teach a lot of people here in Dubai
Yeah.
who come from the south, जिसको पहनना नहीं आता, I teach them how to use that.
Right.
And also all the orthodox formalities that you need to follow in a house.
Yeah.
अगर आप मेरे घर पे आओगे, सुबह 5 बजे आओगे, there will be Suprabhadam running.
Exactly.
We are here in Dubai.
You awake 5 p.m.
Exactly.
Like
We
AM.
still follow the traditions. And every day after having the bath, first Bhagwan ka darshan. Before you leave the house, Bhagwan ke saath mata tekna. These are all traditions that we still follow.
Right.
Yeah. So it's a perfect balance of managing your culture, your tradition, and also living in a place like Dubai, which is a fast forward fashion industry place. So you should know how to balance it, but balance it in the proper way.
So do you face problem when you go back to Chennai to cope up with this life, like what you are getting in Dubai? क्योंकि दुबई की life, as you said, it's a fast forward life, it's a high class life. सब लोग मरते हैं दुबई आने के लिए and दुबई में रहने के लिए. But people, when they go back to India or any other place or to their hometown, they cannot get that same feel. So do you also think that or believe in that, or you enjoy the India part?
यार पर
as
मुझे
well?
ये समझ में नहीं आता है, because see for example 30 years you're born and brought up in a country, you have lived that life. थोड़े चंद साल you come and live in another country, that doesn't mean when you go back you're going to miss this country. Unfortunately you don't miss the country back home when you come here. Right? So this imbalance I don't understand. Your roots are there.
Yeah.
You should love to live in your roots. I know a lot of people who have settled, who've gone to other countries, वापस आएंगे and the basic thing, क्या कुमकुम, what is that कुमकुम? अरे यही कुमकुम लगा के रूस स्कूल जाती थी.
Exactly.
How come you're forgetting that?
True,
Right?
true.
So when you go back to India, you should feel that that is your place. तेरा रूप उधर ही है.
Yeah,
Right?
correct.
And this is where your ancestors have lived. Your blessings you're going to get from there. Right? ये मेंटालिटी के साथ whoever lands up in India, they'll definitely love the stay there.
Of course.
अगर हम लोग सोच रहे हैं हम लोग वेकेशन के लिए जा रहे हैं, अरे यार उधर एसी नहीं है,
Right.
I don't have an AC car, I don't have AC malls.
Right,
I mean the most important thing with children is I don't like to use the washrooms here.
Correct.
But that is the place there. I mean India being a huge country,
Yeah.
it obviously cannot be like Dubai. Right? So much of population is there.
Yeah.
We have to teach our children ki that is your base. So
Correct.
learn to live there because life is very short. Pata nahi the spear will go where and where it's going to take you.
So true, so
Yeah.
true. I wanted to know that अभी जैसे कोविड था, so in that COVID जो चल रहा है अभी, how did you manage? Because I know that there were service centers which was all closed, boutiques, everything was locked down, especially Dubai में 24 hours का lockdown चल रहा था. तो how did you manage? What about the services? Like, you know, were you managing online or what about the business? क्या drop
See,
down आया
initially,
business?
due to the restrictions that we had, the 24-hour restrictions, those 3 or 4 weeks we did not operate. We had to close down completely.
Okay.
उसके बाद also we were being a little bit cautious. We didn't want to, open up immediately, because हमारा कपड़ों का दुकान है, and COVID was like saying like 96 hours it's going to stay on a material.
Correct.
So we didn't want to do into that. Right, but हर चीज का I always feel there's a plan B and there is a plan C.
Correct.
तो plan A तो नहीं हुआ, तो plan B है. Plan B is we started to go online. We
Right.
started to promote the materials online. And हमने customer को बोल दिया अगर आप ले रहे हो, please because of the situation we cannot do an exchange.
Right.
राइट तो आप ले लो, इफ यू वांट वी कैन गिव यू अ डिस्काउंट अगर आपको पसंद नहीं आया आगे वाला प्रोडक्ट्स में. बट फॉर्चुनेटली फॉर खूबसूरत बुटीक वी हैव आवर रेगुलर कस्टमर्स,
That's
दे नो द क्वालिटी ऑफ आवर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड वी वर
Right.
एबल टू डू गुड सेल्स.
Yes.
एंड अगेन थैंक्स टू गॉड कि इवन ड्यूरिंग द टायरिंग टाइम्स सेल्स उतना ज्यादा भी नहीं हुआ, बट इट डिड नॉट गो टू नेगेटिविटी
Okay.
दैट मच.
So it
इज
was
गुड.
not negative at all, but
Yeah.
there was still the sale was going on, but
Yeah.
still it was little less.
Yeah,
Of
exactly.
course,
But
because
that's common now,
everywhere,
yeah.
everywhere it was the same. So you did not face that much problem because you were at home and the boutique and the Strikers Academy was closed.
No, we didn't face much problem. Only 3 weeks we had a close down. After that, things started to come back to normal, but it's still picking up at the moment. I will not say 100% normal, but it's still picking up.
It was really great talking to you, Padma, and thank you so much for being in my show Story Time with Shika. I just wanted to say and give this message कि आप जैसी और भी औरतें होनी चाहिए जो कि अपनी निजी ज़िंदगी में से टाइम निकाल कर अपने बिजनेस को देती हैं, अपने लिए कुछ करना चाहती हैं. इतनी कैसी हाउसवाइफ हैं जो हाउसवाइफ उनके मन में कुछ इच्छाएं होती हैं जो जिनको पूरा करना चाहती हैं, तो दे शुड कम फॉरवर्ड and they should see a entrepreneur like you, a woman like you जो मोटिवेशनल भी हैं, साथ में इतना अच्छा बिजनेस स्टैब्लिश करके दुबई में रह रही हैं, प्लस इंडिया में भी. क्या आपके कुछ बिजनेसेस हैं?
No, India I don't have a business at the
Okay.
moment. It's enough. दुबई 2
So
businesses
इंडिया
चला
में
रही हूँ. It's
आप
more than
आराम
enough.
से आराम फरमाने के लिए इंडिया
Exactly.
छुट्टी एंजॉय करने के लिए जाती हैं, जैसा कि इन्होंने कहा भी कि इंडिया ये जाती हैं क्योंकि अपनी खुद की कंट्री है एंड शी वांट्स टू गो देयर एंड गेट रिलैक्स्ड. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज. एंड ये हैं पद्मा रामाचंद्रन जिनके साथ आज मैं हूँ शिखा, स्टोरी टाइम विद शिखा पर. तो आज हमने ये सीखा कि अपने टाइम को कैसे मैनेज करना चाहिए. बीइंग अ लेडी उन्होंने घर भी संभाला, बच्चा भी संभाला, हस्बैंड को भी देखा, इन लॉज से भी उनकी अच्छी बनती रही. उन्होंने ये बताया है कि टाइम को मैनेज करेंगे तो हम सही तरीके से आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो थैंक यू सो मच Padma. It was really having good time with you today.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Shika, and all the best for your show.
Thanks a
It's a
lot.
great initiative. Congratulations.
You're welcome.